Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if your screen appears to be black after waking up from sleep mode and you don't see any activity on your screen and you just have a black screen like I said. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start off by opening up the search menu, type in troubleshoot, best match, come back with troubleshoot settings, go ahead and open that up. On the right side, you want to select Other Troubleshooters. And now you want to locate Power underneath Other. So go down and underneath Power, select the Run button. And then once that's done, go ahead and select Close. Would suggest closing out of here and open up the search menu. Type in Control Panel. Best match, come back with Control Panel. So go ahead and open that up. Set your view by to large icons, and then you want to select Power Options. On the left side, select where it says choose what the power button does. If you saw an option under here for fast startup, you want to uncheck that. So you have to select change settings that are currently unavailable. And then you would uncheck the option to turn on fast startup. And then you would select save changes to save that. And then once you're done with that, you would want to restart your computer. So after we've done both of those, if they were both applicable, restart your device. And there you go, guys. Hopefully at this point your issue should have been resolved. So as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. Do I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.